Hi, good afternoon. Suresh Marar from Matrix Retail Solutions. What I am going to present today is two beautiful architectural solution products for your homes, villas, offices, home theaters, etc. For us, safety is our priority, number one. For you, style is your choice. Therefore, we have bought these two beautiful products. The products are Fly Screen Solutions and Invisible Grill. Let us talk of Fly Screen Solutions. These Fly Screen Solutions, they are the best choice to block the path of flies, insects, mosquitoes, lizards, cockroaches, etc. from creeping into your house. Further, this adds aesthetic value to your house because they are so sleek, which I'll show you in the demonstration through the course of our journey. They just get hidden behind the curtain. We have the option of colors, which includes even wood grain color, but yes, slightly extra cost for the same. What are the features? Let's get into the product. Now this is what you see in a conventional grill. They're fixed with a frame on the top and permanently visible. Whereas what I provide you is this. This is a housing. These are the two channels. Let us see how it works. Gets locked. Now this is the fiberglass mesh. I can even stop it at any point I want, which means it has an auto brake system. I take it up. Let us see it once again. Yep, it gets closed. Now what happens is it gives you 95% visibility, 95% airflow. Your vision is not distorted. You can see still the outside world even after you install this particular mesh. That's what this mesh is all about. And this housing is just about 45 mm. Very sleek, very cute. And this is the color that I was mentioning about. The white and nut brown are standard colors. We give you any other color that you want to suit your room color, right, which includes wood grain color, but then that will be at an additional cost. Let us look at, this is basically for the window systems. I can give you 6 by 6, right? It has its limitation, so we restrict it to the windows. Let us go to another product. This is another Fly Screen solution, basically for windows, doors and balcony openings. The advantage with this is a couple of things. Number one, it has got a zipline technology which nobody does it across the globe. Number two, it has got a self-braking system. Number three, I can give you very wide openings. I can cover very wide openings. My one single screen will be 4.5 meters width into 3 meters height. I can give you a double screen. I can also do L-shaped balconies. Let us see how it works. This is the housing, which is 70 mm. This is the drawbar. This is the receiver. These are the channels. Now this is the groove where the your zipper actually plays around or moves. Now let us see how it functions. It gets locked. Now let us open it and see the braking system here. Now this doesn't move. Lock, right? Here. Here again I can give you any color. White and nut brown are the standard colors. I can give you any other color, both in powder coating and wood grain at an additional cost, obviously, right? As far as the width and height is concerned, single screen, manually operated, 4.5 meters width, 3 meters height. Double screen, it will be 9 meters by 3 meters. Okay. Further, this can withstand a weight of almost about 450 kgs per square meter. So that's very, very strong. Now let us try that also. Doesn't give way. This is imported from US from a company called Pfeiffer. The balance, all components are imported from Australia, a company called Freedom Screens. Right? It is assembled in Hyderabad, manufacturing facility we have here. Okay. Let's move into the second product, the invisible grill. Now this is the invisible grill. Now why do you require an invisible grill? Let us compare this with the normal conventional grills. They look so clumsy. The elevation of the building is lost or the house is lost. So a lot of these architects don't prefer, or the house owners don't prefer putting this in this normal conventional grills. And then again what happens is the customer has his own choice of colors. So someone paints it red, someone paints it black, someone paints it blue, white, etc. So this invisible grill avoids all these issues once and for all. It is basically a very thin cable, 2 mm dia cable, steel cable. The grade is SUS 316, which can withstand any kind of temperature and heat and will not rust. I guarantee that. Okay. Now the applications are for balcony, simply because it adds aesthetic value to your house. It does not give a loss of elevation to your house, and from a distance it is not visible at all. It also prevents your children, your pets and older people falling from the balconies. I can give you any width, any height. More than 5 feet, I will have stiffeners with locking device on each cable. The spacings I give you is 2 mm, 3 mm and 4 mm gaps. 2 mm, 2 inch, 3 inch and 4 inch gaps. Right? The channels on 2 ends, it is tightened with a fastener which is imported from Germany or from New Zealand. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment on this video to receive more information on products that we deal with and solutions that we can provide. Thank you so much.